Hello, everybody. I'm making this video to show you how to manage and view your saved passwords in Google Chrome, the web browser. So this web browser right here, Google Chrome, um, I've got many teachers ask, "Oh, I'm really worried with our getting the new MacBooks that I'll have all my passwords saved." So I wanted to quick show you how to save those passwords. Most of you will be logged in. To your Google Drive account, and you'll be able to see that by your name showing up here. Um, but there's a couple of ways to sign in and sync your passwords, and that means you're signed into the Google Chrome browser. So one of the ways you can do that is just going up here and then clicking sign in, but we're not going to do it that way. That is one quick way to do it. The other way you can do it is go to the navigation bar at the top and click Chrome and then Preferences. And then from Preferences, you can click Sign into Chrome. So I'll go ahead and click that. Then I get a little prompt and ask me to sign in. I'll have to put in my password. Oops. And then another prompt, and it says that I've signed in and turned on sync, so that any of the passwords that I've given Google permission to save, so ones that I didn't click never on, never save, get saved to my account. So when I log into this browser and link my browser to my account, then they transfer back and forth, and it does not matter what computer you're on, you can still use these features. So that's a really nice feature. It'll also save your bookmarks, your browsing history, and any other settings along with those passwords. So I'm just going to click OK, I got it. And it's syncing everything. Let's go down to advanced settings. I want to show some of you are going to feel more comfortable with writing your passwords down. I will not be that person because I have too many passwords, but some of you will feel more comfortable and secure just simply writing them down. So click the advanced button and then go down to passwords and forms and click manage passwords. So I'm going to click that. And then right here I have manage passwords on. That should be on. I put it on auto sign in, and then down below you'll see all the passwords that I've saved. So this is the website, my username, and then my password, and that has been blocked out with asterisks. If I want to be able to see it, then I would just click that eyeball. It's going to ask me to sign in, and that's going to be the same password you use when you sign into your computer. And then it'll show your password. Then all you gotta do is you keep going down the list. It's not gonna prompt you for your password each and every time, but you'll be able to see them and then write them down. So now I'm just gonna remind you that this will only work um, if you gave Chrome permission to save those passwords. So um, if you told Chrome that you didn't want it to save, or I think another option is never save passwords, then you will not have a list down here. But as an example, I should be able to go to Shiny Mission website, click on staff, and you can see my username and password auto-populates because I have it sunk, and then I have it set to autofill. Then I would just click login. So I hope that answers your questions about your passwords and how to make sure that they're saved and syncing. And thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'm happy to help. Have a great day.